Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to find separated apps on Android so you can easily locate cloned or dual apps on your phone. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open Settings on your Android phone. This is where all system controls and app management options are located. Step 2. Tap on App Management. This section displays a complete list of applications, including system apps, normal apps, and any duplicated or separated apps. Step 3, scroll through the list carefully to find apps with the same name listed twice. This usually means one is the original app and the other is the separated or cloned version. Step 4, tap the second app from the list. This allows you to identify the separated app and open it to confirm it's the duplicate version. Method 2. Step 1, open Parallel Space from your app drawer. This app is commonly used to create and manage cloned or separated apps in one place. Step 2, view the app list inside Parallel Space. Here you'll see all the apps that have been cloned using this tool. Step 3, tap the cloned app you want and it will open the separated version so you can use it with a different account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful Android tutorials.